Welcome to ideamapper. If you've never before used ideamapper, we recommend that you watch this tutorial. Ideamapper has many uses, and in this tutorial we will show how to create a simple structured text document. We will show the basic functionality by brainstorming, structuring and writing. We will take it slow and explain the various program concepts on the way. When you start ideamapper, you first see the home page. This is where you find your recent files and where you can open examples or templates and where you can adjust program options. To make a new map, click the blank map button. A new document appears. This is where you create and edit your idea map. At the top of the window, you can find buttons organized in tabs. The Home tab has all the buttons required to make a simple document. The buttons are grouped by Edit, Create, Structure, Write and Preview. There are other tabs named Idea, Link, Layout, etc. and in those you will find buttons to customize the map. At the very top of the window are the quick buttons. Here you can save or download your map, and you will also find the Home button, which will take you back to the home page. At the bottom of the window are buttons which allow you to alter what you view and, for example, adjust the zoom factor. As you can see, there is an empty idea in the map, and the program is in free brainstorming mode. The highlighted and pulsating button indicates free brainstorming mode is turned on. When the program is in this mode, you can quickly enter new ideas. Every time you hit the return button on your keyboard, another idea is created at a random position. Note that in free brainstorm mode, ideas don't get connected. We don't want you to have to think about the structure just yet. In this phase of free brainstorming, we want all ideas to be entered without restriction. To end brainstorming mode, you can select the Free Brainstorm button, or you can hit return without entering a title. When you look at the ideas, the first thing to do is to identify the central idea. You could also call that idea the title of your document. When you have identified the central idea, you should connect the ideas that form the chapters of your document first. First, let's drag and group the ideas to create a rough structure before connecting. There are many ways of connecting ideas. Here we select the central idea, hold Shift on the keyboard and then click the idea we want to connect. The idea changes color and you can then drag the idea away. Note that the central idea is drawn with a ring around it. Now that the chapters have been connected, let's connect the sections. Again, first let's group the ideas with the idea you wish to connect them to. And again, we will use the Shift-Click method. Colors have changed again, and you can see that the central idea, chapter and sections have different colors. If you would like your map to look tidier, just click the Auto Arrange button. Now let's look at the structure you've created. Click the Split View button. Let's pause a minute and look at the screen. On the left you can see the idea map, on the right you can see the structured text. Each idea on the left is represented by its title and by its number. The order of the ideas is given by their position on the idea map. So you have the central idea, which forms the document title, and then the chapters, which are arranged in clockwise order, starting from the 12 o'clock position. And then the sections, which are again arranged in clockwise order. Now that we have the structure, we can add content. Simply click into the text view underneath the idea title and enter the text. Now let's add an introduction and a conclusion to this document. For this, you don't need to go into free brainstorming mode. Just double-click into the map, and then you can create a single idea at a time. Click Enter when you've finished typing the idea title. You can see that the introduction is the second chapter, but of course it needs to be the first. That's very easy. Just move the introduction idea to its new position and the text view will be reordered to match your idea map. Again, if you would like your map to look tidier, click the Auto Arrange button. If you want to preview the printed document, first click into the text view and then click on the Print Preview button. From here, you can then view the document, adjust the layout, or print. You have now seen how to create a very simple structured text document with ideamapper by brainstorming, structuring, and writing. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, go to ideamapper.com.